Equipment deals, we have unit number 602. It's a 2005 model W900 Kenworth mixture truck. Gonna give you a quick little operations video here. Let you see this thing go forward, backwards, show the transmission works, and strong arm and all that. So go ahead and check it out here. As you can see, unit number 602 here, the 2005 Kenworth W900 mixer truck with the strong arm and the drop axle, with the ISM 350 Cummins, the Allison transmission. Runs great, works great, does what it's supposed to do. It's got zero blow by, it's running and working well. Wanted to show you one thing on this AC here, let you see what it's pulling out. Showing 92 and 109 outside. So as you can see, the AC is working. Not sure if it needs to be charged or something of that matter, but I think you know, it could be that the belt just fell off the fan and needs to cool the condenser down. It just popped off. I'm not sure what happened there. I think it just tore the belt. Not a big deal. But the AC does work, as you can see. Compressor was working as I was out here. So I just wanted to show that. So if you have any questions on this unit, please give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. This unit is located here in Roanoke, Texas. I've got 5 available. They're all pretty much identical, same year, same model, within a couple years there. But they're all ready to go to work, boys. So if you're interested in these trucks, please give us a call. These are nice, clean trucks ready to go to work. 14-yard beds or mixtures on them. You can't go wrong there. So give us a call. We'd love to sell you one. Thank you.